Good morning, best friends. Welcome back to the alphabet, and this time we're going to do the letter F. Now, this is the series where I have done all the heavy lifting for you, so you can do crafts and books and recipes and much more with the letter F. I'm going to take you through the whole alphabet, so you have a lot of things to do with your student and or child. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started. As always, you're going to see me in a little box, and then you'll see the screen because I don't know a lot of technology. And the first is, as always, animals. I have the country and what kind of animal it is, but it'd be fun to do some research and learn some new animals. We have 2 pages. Now to our books, all starting with F, Fancy Nancy, Ferdinand, Firefighters, Fish, Frog and Toad, a farm alphabet book, and Dr. Seuss foot book. And like the last previous times, all of the crafts go with the books, and we have some book activities that go right with them, and some that are just based kind of on the animal or the character in the book. Now we're on to our foods. We have the country of origin. Again, take it with a grain of salt because I asked my friend Chad, who is AI, to help me where they came from. So a little bit more, lots of fun things to try. Here's some places that start with the letter F. Again, if you know more, please let me know. And now the absolute best part. This is why you guys came. Okay, so our recipes. So we have Ferdinand's flowers, strawberries, cheese, and some kiwi. Fish is fish. Frog is a friend. Again, remember to always wash your fruits and vegetables before. Shouldn't have to say that, but apparently we do. So make sure you wash them. Farm sheep, marshmallows, and Cheerios. And then we have our shape and our songs. And again, these are the songs that I know or I kind of know that I like. And then there's other resources too. So remember, you can just type into Google, kids song starting with the letter whatever. All right. Well, thank you so much for coming back. It means a lot to me, best friend. We're getting very close. All right. So it's been fantastic seeing you guys again. And in our next episode, we will do the letter G. All right. Bye.